Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can view your own full profile on Roblox. So select your profile here, and then you're just going to scroll down. This is just like the small preview of your profile. Scroll down and select view full profile. You'll be able to see your info here. You can add it. I don't have any. You can see your creations. You can see what you're currently wearing here as well. You can see your friends, collections, and what groups you're in. I'm only on this group because I play this game a lot. You can also see the favorites here as well, and you can see Roblox badges and other badges here. And the join date as well, so like around 2 years ago. So that is how you can view your whole profile on Roblox, like your own profile. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!